In today's video, we are diving into a complete beginner's tutorial on Redeemly, a platform designed to help businesses boost customer retention and loyalty through automated rewards, store credits, and personalized customer engagement campaigns. Redeemly focuses on encouraging repeat purchases and strengthening customer relationships through loyalty-based marketing strategies. Before we get started, make sure you already have a Shopify store set up, or at least an active Shopify account. Having your account ready will make the connection process much smoother and faster. Now, don't worry if you don't have a Shopify account yet. You'll need to head over to Shopify, create an account, and set up your store first. Once you've done that, you can return to Redeemly and connect your Shopify store seamlessly to continue with the setup process. Now you'll be prompted to authorize both applications. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection process. If you're unable to access Redeemly, keep in mind that the platform may not be available in certain regions. In that case, you may need to use a VPN or proxy service to access the website and simply continue with the setup. Now that Redeemly has been successfully connected to your Shopify store, you'll be greeted with the welcome screen. Before you can start using the app, Redeemly will ask you to activate your free trial. As you can see, the platform currently offers a 25-day free trial, giving you plenty of time to explore its features and see how it fits your business. To continue, simply click the Activate Trial button. Don't worry, you won't be charged immediately. And of course, at the bottom, there is going to be the activation section where you will find the Redeemly pricing structure. Of course, we opted for the basic, which is going to be the free, so you can explore all of Redeemly's feature before deciding which plan best suits your business or your Shopify store. And then as you can see it from here, I am going to create my first product here in Shopify so that I can easily connect it to the Redeemly dashboard later on. So I'm gonna create a product which is gonna be the Redeemly snowboard. I'm gonna create something here and upload as many images or videos if you wanted, for example, let's say. And then you need to configure the redemption settings at this point. Let's say that the price is gonna be this one, depending on the business model. Now I'm gonna choose a different variants like black and green, and then all I have to do now is click the save button. Once we have created our first product here in Shopify, since we have connected the Redeemly application, you can simply go to the Redeemly dashboard. Depending on your business model, you could choose a digital downloads, membership access, gift cards, subscription products, or custom redemption offers. All right. So for example, one customer added one product, which is going to be the Redeemly snowboard. So what will happen is they will get the store credits. Okay. Keep in mind that Redeemly AI will automatically generate the product listing inside your Shopify store. Okay. So as you can see, the newly created product has been added here in the Redeemly dashboard. Now you can adjust necessary adjustments and save your changes as you can. You can, of course, edit the product title, images, pricing, inventory settings, and product descriptions. Here, you need to configure how customers will redeem their purchases. Okay, so you see that, for example, if they added more products, the more redemption codes that they will get. You see that they get like 671 euro store credits. All right. With this, you can customize the redemption codes, usage limits, expiration dates, customer access rules, delivery methods. These settings determine what happens after a customer completes a purchase, and be sure to test before everything before launching publicly. So we're going to test the customer experience. All right. So let's check out this specific product. You see there is a slider option. If you turn it on, you would see that you can add another product like selling plants key wax for this specific amount. Not only you are giving a redeem code, you also are promoting another product, which is a win-win situation. Okay. Now, once everything is working properly, click the checkout button. All right. You see, we're successfully created our first product here in Redeemly. So of course, you need to provide the contact information. Let's say once everything is working properly, you're ready to launch. Promote your products through different channels. Let's say I wanted to promote my product to my Facebook account. Remember, Facebook is one of the most popular and effective platforms for connecting with potential customers online. By sharing engaging content, product updates, special offers, and interacting with their audience, you can increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your store, and generate more sales. Keep in mind, consistent social media marketing can help you build trust and grow your customer base over time. Another best way to promote your products is by adding them directly to your website. This option is ideal if you already have an established website with regular visitors. In my case, I am using my website powered by Squarespace. By featuring your products on your site, you can reach customers who are already interested in your brand, products, or content. It also creates a seamless shopping experience, allowing visitors to discover and purchase your product without leaving your website. All I have to do in this case is I'm going to add a block. I'm going to add a URL link, which is going to be for the page link in my store. I'm going to go to my Shopify very quickly. And I am going to copy the URL link of my Shopify store. Go back to the Squarespace since I have already added a block. Okay. I'm going to edit that here. There is a pencil icon. I'm just going to put in the link right here. So you can have full control on how your products are displayed. You see this right here. You can customize the product placement, create a dedicated landing pages, add promotional banners, and optimize the customer journey to increase conversions. Now, another option that you can look into to increase visibility and drive sales is through Amazon ads. This advertising platforms allows you to place your products directly in front of shoppers who are already searching. Now, you might want to look into. Now, if you want to increase visibility and drive sales is through Amazon ads. This advertising platforms allows you to place your products directly in front of shoppers who are already searching for similar items on Amazon. By using the Amazon ads, you can increase product visibility, you can reach high-intent buyers, boost sales faster, and gain valuable insights. All I have to do is simple: register to advertise, contact, and promote your sponsored product. And of course, they will also expand your reach by providing a prime video ads. It's super simple. And that wraps up our complete tutorial on Redeemly, which is an excellent option for Shopify store owners who want a simple and modern alternative to traditional points-based loyalty programs. Now, instead of rewarding customers with points that can feel confusing or difficult to track, Redeemly uses Shopify native store credit, making rewards feel more tangible and valuable to customers. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description. It really helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.